Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best dash cams for 2025. If you want reliable protection, clear video recording, and advanced features for your car, these models are the top choices this year. I'll cover the key features, performance, pros, cons, and whether they're worth buying. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Nextbase 622 GW Dash Cam Bundle. True 4K 30 FPS UHD. Front and rear recording. Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth. Alexa voice control. Parking mode. Includes rear camera plus 128GB SD card. The Nextbase 622 GW is one of the most premium dash cams available in 2025. The 4K clarity is noticeably sharper than most competitors, and stabilization makes footage smooth even on bumpy roads. The built-in Alexa adds convenience for hands-free control, and the included rear camera plus memory card make this a complete package. Pros: excellent 4K video quality, strong image stabilization, reliable GPS tracking and emergency SOS. Comes as a full bundle. Cons: higher price. App connectivity can be slow sometimes. If you want the most feature-rich and premium dashcam setup, this is the top pick. Number 2. Vantrue N5S 4-channel dashcam. 360-degree coverage. Starvis 2 sensors. IR night vision. 2.7K plus dual 1080p plus 1440p. Voice control. GPS. 24-hour parking mode. Supports up to 1 terabyte storage. The Vantrue N5S is designed for full coverage protection. With 4 channels, you get complete recording around your vehicle. Night vision quality is impressive thanks to Starvis 2 sensors and infrared. It's also perfect for rideshare drivers who need inside cabin footage. Pros: true 360-degree recording. One of the best night vision systems. Large storage up to 1 terabyte. Great for taxis, Uber, Lyft. Cons: requires more setup work. File sizes are large. If you want maximum coverage and professional-grade night recording, this is a strong pick. Number 3. 4K dashcam, front and rear, 3-channel setup. IMX335 night vision, Wi-Fi and GPS, voice control. 2K front plus dual 1080p rear and cabin. 64GB card included. This model is budget-friendly but still packed with features. You get 3 channels including interior cabin recording. Video quality is very good for the price, and the included SD card means you can start using it right away. Night vision from the Sony IMX335 sensor is clear and reliable. Pros: affordable 3-channel setup. Very good night vision. Includes 64GB card. Easy app connection. Cons: not true 4K, only 2K. Front: build quality is basic. Perfect for buyers who want a multi-channel dashcam without spending too much. Number 4. 70mm Omni X800 4K dashcam. Sony IMX678 sensor. Starvis 2 night vision. 4K recording. AI motion detection. ADAS assistance. 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. 4G LTE support. The 70mm Omni X800 is one of the smartest dashcams on the market. With AI-powered monitoring and motion detection, it offers strong protection even when your car is parked. The video quality is crisp, and the rotating camera helps capture a wider view than traditional dashcams. Pros: excellent AI tracking features. Strong 4K clarity. LTE connectivity for real-time alerts. ADAS assistance. Cons: requires subscription for LTE features. Rotating camera may not be preferred by all users. If you want smart features and real-time protection, the X800 stands out. Number 5. VIOFO A229 Ultra 3-channel dashcam. Dual 4K plus 1080p, 210-degree cabin camera. Triple Starvis 2 sensors. 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6. GPS. Voice control. Super Night Vision 2.0. VIOFO is known for high-quality imaging, and the A229 Ultra continues that trend. The dual 4K front and rear cameras deliver exceptional clarity. The cabin camera's fisheye lens covers the entire interior. With improved night vision, this model performs consistently well in all lighting conditions. Pros: Dual 4K gives outstanding detail. Great interior coverage. High-performance night vision. Reliable voice control. Cons: Requires more power management for 3 channels, slightly bulky design. A great option for users who want the sharpest video quality across all channels. These were the top 5 best dash cams in 2025. Each one offers unique strengths depending on your needs, whether it's premium 4K footage, full 360-degree coverage, advanced AI protection, or budget-friendly reliability. Check the links in the description for current prices and more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.